So a couple of you guys are wondering, how do you use Restream to kind of stream to multiple platforms? And that's what we're going to show you today. What is Restream? Well, Restream is simply a website that you can go to and you put in all your information from Twitch, Mixer, YouTube, and so many other platforms, and it basically enables you to stream to all of those platforms at once. This will work for Facebook, but that is only your personal Facebook page. It doesn't let you stream to a page or like a gaming page or a group or anything like that. It is your own personal account. So for this reason, I wouldn't use this if you're looking to stream to Facebook and YouTube, for example. However, if you wish to stream to, for example, YouTube, Twitch, and a Mixer all at the same time, this is perfect for that. So what do you do? So first of all, you want to go to restream.io, which will take you to this lovely little website here. And quite frankly, it will look a little bit different for you guys. So you won't have this welcome back thing. You'll have a way you want to create your account. So if that's what you want to do, you want to create your account to Restream to enable you to actually get in and use these functions. So what do you do once you're here? Once you're here, it might look a little like this. You will not have any of these channels. See, I've got Twitch, YouTube, and DLive. You won't have any of that. That'll just be blank. Then what you need to do is click on this big Add Channel button up top. Boom, and click here. And as you can see, you're looking at the darker blue colour. These are all the channels that you can stream to for free. There's a lot of things here, some that I haven't even heard of or anything. For this example, I'm going to use Mixer. I'm going to click Mixer, and it asks you to connect. Then you click on Connect Mixer and it will take you to your Mixer page. Obviously you then want to sign in, and then once you are signed in, it'll ask you for various permissions, and that says allow or deny, and for whatever reason it's off the bottom of my page. I don't know why. So we click on allow, and it basically sends us here to Restream. And it's that simple. That is how you connect your streaming platform that you want to use to Restream, okay? But at the minute, that will not do anything. If we click go live, nothing will happen. So this is where you've got to put the settings in to Streamlabs itself. So to do that, you want to bring up your settings for Streamlabs. You want this bad boy here, and you want to click on Stream. Then once you click on Stream, you want to click on Custom Ingress. Now this is where the information all goes. Stream type. You want to go down and you want to select Custom Streaming Server. And you see here where it says URL. This URL is this URL here from Restream. Copy that and put that into the URL there. Same with the stream key. You want to copy the stream key and then paste that in there as well. And then click Done. And once you've clicked Done, that has got you all set up. So if we go have a look at the Restream browser just now shortly, you will see obviously I've got Twitch at the top, I've got YouTube, I've got DLive, and I've got Mixer. But if you look down the right hand corner, there's a little tag, and you'll see that only Mixer's on. Well, I can toggle them to turn them on. So if I want to stream to all four of those, I can have them all turned on. If I don't want to stream to DLive, I can turn that off. If I don't want to stream to Twitch, for example, I can turn that off. Now I would just be streaming to YouTube and Mixer. I can turn them off, and I'll stream to nobody. The little cog here just asks if you want to delete your channel. Then you have a titles tab. Titles tab at the top lets you put in the title that will display for your stream. And you can update all, and that will update every single one there. So if I just put hello in, for example, watch all of the titles, update all, boom, boom, boom. See that? So them two aren't going to work because they're currently not linked properly. So don't worry about that. That's just the reason why they're not linked properly is because various things have changed at my end. So the stream key isn't the same stream key that it is on this platform right here. So we don't have to worry about that. Same with the game. You can select game. A lot of the titles might not be in that drop down list. So for all that, all you have to do is click on the title and the game itself. And then you can go in and you can type it in here however you want. And you close that. So that will be all that. Then we have a social alerts. Here we are able to connect Social pages, that basically means that we can connect all our social pages and we can send out one message just by typing a message and click update, and it will send out a message across all those social pages, allowing us to basically tell people that we're live or we're about to go live or any of that kind of stuff. So we'll drop back to dashboard, and what will happen is when I click go live on my Streamlabs, this black preview box here will take a little bit of a while, but will eventually start to display what I'm seeing. Now the thing with the Restream is there's quite a delay. So I have a 2-second interval delay in my Streamlabs OBS settings. Then on top of that, there is a delay from Restream. So it can be around about 30 seconds. So don't expect to have that kind of instant thing. It is also worth noting, because I know people out there do care, the alerts might not all work. Streamlabs might not pick up on all the alerts that are being sent your way, depending on how you have your alerts set up. So if, for example, your alert box is just set to Twitch, you will only receive the alerts from Twitch. Any alerts that you get, for example, if you're streaming through YouTube or Mixer, they will not display. But that's basically the simplicity of using Restream. The important thing is to add channel and then connect it and allow, and then all you've got to do is just toggle it on and make sure that your streaming settings, the URL and the stream key, go into your Streamlabs stream, custom ingress, custom server, URL into URL, and stream key into stream key. And it is that simple, guys. It's really that simple. If you have any problems, do drop me a comment and I will try to help you out where I can. But for now, that's all I can offer you. Cheers, guys. See you later. Thank you very much for dropping by and watching the video, guys. If you'd be so kind, if you could drop a like or even a dislike, slap a comment in there, and I'd really enjoy the subscribes. That'd be great. If you'd like to subscribe, you can always click here. There should be a little subscription bubble. Failing that, here is a video that YouTube thinks you would like to see.